I love to see this type of unity. I love when time the JLP and the PNP people them now fight. I love when they understand that. Look here, our political affiliations doesn't necessarily mean that we have to hate each other. I love it. However, I'm gonna crash this party. So if you scroll from now, you don't have to see the rest of this. You're here still? Okay. I also hate this because this is a perfect example, representation to show that these politicians don't care about lawfulness. They care about getting votes. Because all of this that is happening right now, if it was to happen any other day, apart from these days that the politicians want your vote, so the motorcades and the excitement, if it was any other day, it would be a ticketable offense. A police would be down their neck, writing them a ticket, probably somebody will get arrested. Am I wrong? So why is it okay to do it on a mass rally day? I don't know, I just find it weird. But maybe, then again, as I said, maybe I'm just a lame dude. But hey, what are your thoughts? Ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment.